Welcome to Molen and Associates, a trusted name in tax and accounting since 1980. We're a family-owned business dedicated to providing exceptional service and making you feel like part of our family. We understand that running a business can be overwhelming, especially when it comes to managing your finances. That's where we come in. We offer over 40 years of experience in tax preparation, tax planning, bookkeeping, and IRS resolution services, so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. Our team of experienced professionals is ready to assist you year-round. We'll help you understand your numbers, gain confidence in your financials, and make proactive business decisions. Our office features meeting rooms where we conduct training sessions for our team, host networking events for our clients and the community, and hold our company meetings. Whether you're a new business just starting out, need help catching up on your bookkeeping, or are looking for ongoing accounting support, we have a service package to fit your needs. We're proud to serve a wide range of industries, from startups and self-employed individuals to realtors, law enforcement professionals, and more. Thank you for visiting Molen and Associates. We look forward to helping you achieve your financial goals.